Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Robert with Sherburn Outdoors. It is Super Bowl weekend 2026. Having a little bit of a heat wave in Atlanta right now. I'd say it's like 48, 49 degrees. I can't believe I have shorts on, but the wind is howling. I don't know if you can tell, I've got the windsock on here anyway. Anyway, hey, we're here to talk about the brand new Bluetti Charger 2. Now I did a video on the Charger 1, I don't know, 3, 4, 6, 7 months ago. Here's a link up to it. But the Charger 2 is very different. With the Charger 1, which is right here, it was, it wasn't very, it didn't do a lot. I rephrase. It did a whole bunch. It allowed me to take excess power off of the alternator and the battery. And supposedly it goes up to 560 watts. I was getting like 480, maybe 500, but that was substantial for what I was doing. The Bluetti Charger 2 is very, very different. Hey, before we get into this, I purchased all of these products. Because I had bought this one, they had an upgrade program, so I only paid $99 to move from the Charger 1 to the Charger 2. I think that may have expired now. They've got, I think it's like 350 bucks now. They're having an early bird special, so you can look around. There's some links. I'll put some links into Amazon below if you want to go there and click on that and see what it's all about. So I purchased all the Bluetti products, so I don't have a relationship with them, but they're my go-to products for power stations. This 560 was great, but as you've seen in the channels, I am using a ton of power. From Starlink to air conditioners to diesel heaters to fridges. You know, we're just using a lot. I mean, now I'm into convection cooking while we're out and about. So with that said, I wanted to up my power game a little bit, and so I did upgrade to the Charger 2. Now the Charger 2, unlike the 560 here, the Charger 2 is more like a power hub. Meaning I can have solar coming into it, I can have an external battery coming into it, and then also have my same exact thing. Now, it uses the same wiring I had, and I'll go to it in just a second here and you can look at it. But it's basically the same, except it can now take 800 watts off of the alternator, and then it also can take another 600 watts in from solar. So if you do the math on that, that's quite a bit coming in. And because I'm taking like 3,000 watt hours, I mean, I can charge everything up in an hour. So I've got all this hooked up. There's other videos out there if you want to see them wiring under the truck and all that other stuff. Let's take a look at what this looks like live with the app and everything. And then what I'll do is also I'll flip up, because we've got a full Sunday, I'll flip the tent up where it's exactly perpendicular, and we'll see how much we can get out of this 200 watt solar panel. Let's get into it. All right, let's take a look. First of all, we got our solar panel right there. We got our sun up here, and we got our Gladiator right here, which is actually turned on right now. This is the old Bluetti. This is my Bluetti power stack that we're using, and this is the new Charger 2. Here's a picture of them side by side. You can see the Charger 2 is significantly bigger, but it does a lot more. You see below here we got 2 ports coming in. This is hooked up to the alternator, or actually to the battery. And then it's got a smart alternator plug. It also has charging out. So this right here is going out right into this DC input port. And then I also have solar coming in. So the solar's coming in externally. And then it came with 2 of these. And I'm using both of these right here. And this is one I had left over from the Charger 1. And it also came with this, to where I can hook in external backup batteries from Bluetti if I want to go into a whole different power setup. That'll be a future video, but I'm thinking about doing a little different battery setup here, maybe with an Apex or something else. But this whole box here runs off the Bluetti app, and if we look here right now, I've got 777 watts coming in for externally with a combination of the car as well as solar right now. So let's take a look at our app. So if we just take a peek in here, we are running at 796 watts coming in off the battery, which is, it says it'll do 800. And even though the solar is not exactly perpendicular on a 200 watt panel, I'm getting 116 watts coming in. And it says it's sending out 861. And it looks like we're losing about 80 watts in the transfer. So that's pretty powerful actually. So I like this a lot. I tell you what, let's flip up the tent. And again, we are just stationary. We're not driving around or anything and putting any revs into the car. But this does take up a little bit more space. But I had it tucked in here under the goose gear, so I'm not concerned. Let me put up the tent here and get this. See if we can get this up to about 180, 190 on the solar. All right, we've got our rooftop tent set up. I got my 200 watt panel really going into the clear sky right here. And if we look, I'm actually getting 204 watts out of that thing. So that's a 200 watt panel and we are hooked up to the sky at that point. And so if we come back in and look at our power station and our app, we are pulling in 855 watts. And if we just pull up our app here, it is pulling 203 watts off of the solar and an additional 800 watts off of there. So we're sending 940 watts after all the conversions and everything out to the power station, and it's pulling in 855 watts. That is absolutely amazing. So we went from having roughly 400 or 500 watts on the Charger 1 to now we're up to 850 on a perfect situation. I'm usually running more like the 750 to 800 with everything in, but that is amazing. Think about that. I only run 3,000 watt hours. Even if I'm bringing the air conditioner, which is another 1,000, I'm driving from camp location to camp location. That is roughly just 4 hours of driving around to power everything up, even if it's drained down. I can go multiple days now without having to worry about any of this. So this Charger 2 is so simple to set up and plug everything into. I am a huge fan. So with all that said, hey, check it out. I love it. It's my go-to. You'll see this in motion when we're in Moab here in a couple months. Hey, if you got any value at us, please click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified. Again, I am Robert with Sherburn Outdoors. This wasn't meant to be a long video, but this Charger 2 is legit. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for your time.